Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chaure and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge, question number 20. And I'm extremely sorry for background disturbance because believe me, I'm sitting in middle of nowhere and recording this video in the campus. So yeah, bike, abhi nikal gaya. Great. So this is one of the most difficult question I have done. Length of the last word. Yeah, in this question you just need to return the length of the last word. And this is the question, and this is the small pretty solution. So I just start reversing from the back. uh, as soon as I encounter the first non-space character, start incrementing the answer, and if I again hit the space character and answer is not equals to 0, then just break, and that's the answer, that's the final answer. So thank you everyone. I will post more video. Actually, I have done one more question, three sum, which I will post in the later video. So thank you.